It's a gift for the whole family. Open? Do you know how to open it?
Want Daddy to help?
Yeah, me.
Daddy help. Daddy help.
Okay.
Yeah. What's in there?
What's that?
What is that? Show like this. Oh, can you tell them I'm gonna be an ate? Do you want a brother or sister?
Brother.
Brother! Good morning.
Say morning.
Good morning, Christmas tree.
Good morning, Christmas tree.
Say Merry Christmas, everyone. It's the 25th of December. It's Christmas
Merry
Day.
Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We just woke up. What are we doing now?
Let's go check if the reindeer ate all of the carrots. And Santa ate his cookies. Come on, we'll go see if Santa's
So
been...
Paris put carrots outside the house last night because Santa will come and eat it, and we'll go check if Santa ate it really.
Come.
You excited to check?
Hold Daddy's hand.
Go check
Oh,
first.
my baby.
Paris!
Let's check first.
Paris! There's lots of presents for you.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Ooh,
It's gone.
Santa came, honey.
Is that the reindeer eating? Can you get...
Bring the bowl in, come on.
Bring it in.
Santa came, my love. He ate your food. He ate your food.
I saw it.
The reindeers ate it.
Wow.
Look, oh my windows.
Bring the reindeers in.
Come, let's go have a look. There's a present for you.
This is my present.
Santa
The
ate.
toy.
Wow. Wow.
There's the crackers in the milk.
Yeah, this is Santa.
Santa ate the crackers in the milk.
Wow. Good boy, Santa. Say good boy, Santa.
Goodbye, Santa. It's like Jakey.
Like Jake.
Guess what?
Have a look. What's in here? Wow.
Is this the toys that Santa left for Paris?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Funny.
Are you lucky?
This is so funny.
Would you like to open some of your
Daddy,
presents?
Daddy,
Mummy?
Daddy. Look at my
Look.
picture.
No.
Oh, that's your picture. Yeah, that's
that you and
you and
Santa?
Santa.
We need to make sure we get the right ones, Mummy.
Yeah, I know.
I'll get this one.
Okay, come on. Let's go open a present. Okay, we will start opening our presents now. This one. Okay, you can open that one.
Okay.
Yes.
Open it, Baba.
There you go.
Pooh.
You can open that one.
Pooh.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oi.
Pooh.
Wow.
Pooh.
What's in there?
It's my clothes.
Open.
Okay, we'll go show you that things or what you got.
This is my toy.
Show
Not
us.
a toy.
Open it.
Okay.
Open it first and then we'll look for toys.
Okay, open it first. We have to show it first before we can open the toy.
You have to go say thank you to Santa first.
Yeah. Wow! It's so beautiful.
It's my daddy's room.
Wow, say thank you, Santa.
Say thank you, Santa. Have a look. This one.
Wow.
This one.
Big one.
This one. Okay.
Open.
Open it. Open it so we'll see what's inside.
It's this toy.
Hope so.
Okay, we'll have a look.
It's actually look at the toy. Mommy.
Okay, want to help? Okay.
Open.
Santa is very nice to Paris. Yeah. Okay, open. You can do it. Wow. What is this? Ice cream one.
That's my ice cream one.
That's
Yeah.
your ice cream. Did you say thank you, Santa?
Okay, Santa.
Thank you, Santa, for my toy.
Open it, mommy.
It's too heavy.
It's
It's too heavy.
too heavy, okay, that.
Wow.
Also ice cream.
That's the ice cream shop.
Ooh, see? You can sell ice cream to mommy and daddy.
And we can give you money. We got chocolate, strawberry,
Yeah.
banana.
There's lots. What's this one, daddy? Orange. There's lots of flavors.
That was my first
Do you-
name, Ma.
Do you like ice cream, Paris?
Carry on now, bread. Carry.
Carrie, we have to open the other gifts first.
We have to
then
open
can
the
play.
presents first.
Okay.
And then we'll play ice cream.
Santa wrapped it properly.
She's wrapped it good, hasn't it? Okay.
Oh,
What is in there?
Papa. It's a toy one.
It's box.
Hey!
What is it?
My cheese.
It's your shit. Sure. Wow. Santa knows your size.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Did you say thank-
Daddy.
One ones.
Did you say thank you, Santa?
Hang on, let me just show- Yeah, okay, don't worry. Oh, okay, there's another one for Paris. What a lucky girl.
Huh?
What is that for?
For me.
What is that? Is that for you?
Did you say thank you, Santa?
Oh my god.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Santa.
Santa. Oh, Josh.
Santa, you're so lucky, honey.
Yeah, so many presents from Santa. Wow.
You must have been a good girl this year, Baba.
It's a book. Wow. What kind of book's that one now?
It's a doggy.
It's
Is that-
a doggy.
Is that lady in the cab? That's the Paris.
Yeah. And then, what did you ask from Santa? A pink?
That's a big present.
That's a big present. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe it. That's so big, Daddy.
Oh, we might need to help Paris open it.
Do you want to open it? Sure. We'll see what's inside the box, the big present.
That's the frozen.
Okay, open. Open.
It's it.
Yeah. Let's see.
He.
What is that, Paris? Wow! Say thank you, Santa. Oh my Paris and Mercedes Benz.
Oh my god,
Oh my god.
so cool.
Oh my God, Santa.
Oh my god, Santa. It's big for my car today.
Yeah, Paris' first car.
Pink.
It's
Yeah.
a big one too.
That's a pink one. We need to make it first.
Wow. This is your chair.
On my wheel.
On your wheel. Hold your wheel. Careful your foot. Oh, wow. You have to charge it enough. 1 hour before you can use it.
The wheel, Mommy.
Yes.
We need to make the car first, honey.
I'm going to put the wheel there.
Yeah. Do you like your present?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say thank you, Santa.
Yeah, there's Santa there. I want to be my wheel.
Yeah, we'll see B if it's easy. Hang on, Baba. Hang on. Wait for a minute. Let's see. Try to sit now.
Sit down.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to put this first now.
Yeah, we have to make it first, honey.
You have to put the wheel.
And then we can play.
Okay. Open the door. You know how to open the door? Okay, open the door.
Mommy, which one would you like?
Paris, can I please have the chocolate?
No.
Orange.
You have to push the orange button now.
Push the orange one,
You
honey.
have to push the orange
The
button.
orange one to let go.
Kinamot ang ice cream.
Give mommy chocolate, please.
Let's miss some.
Can I please have the chocolate? Thank you.
No.
Why not?
Why not? Sobrang cute guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh.
Is that strawberry?
Okay.
That's the topping. Sorry, you have to put the ice cream on, and that's. This
You
one-
have to put the ice cream on first, Baba.
Yeah. And then put on orange. Yes, thank you.
Good girl.
And then can
Good
I please
job.
have white on top?
The white topping.
This one.
No.
Put it back.
This for mommy.
Thank you, Paris.
Taste it, mommy.
Yum, yum. This is so yummy.
I want one for Daddy.
Okay, you want one for Daddy.
Can I please have chocolate?
No, Daddy.
Well, that's hers.
Okay.
Don't push the orange yet.
Don't push orange. Okay. Up. Now push orange.
Good
Thank
girl.
you. And can I please have yellow topping? Push hard. Push hard. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Look. Push like that.
So ayan guys, so while Paris is playing with her toys, it's Mama's turn to open her gifts. Actually, walang i-open si Daddy today because remember I bought him the bike, and also gusto ko siyang bilhan ng mga accessories ng bike niya guys para mai-open siya ngayong Christmas Day. Pero he's very particular. Sabi niya, gusto niyang pumunta talaga sa bike shop at siya yung pumili. Kaya yun, wala siyang i-open. Anyways, I'll just open one first, the biggest one for me. So, if you watch my previous video, guys, you've seen this one already. Okay? Yeah. Ay pa, ano pa talaga niya? Wanna help, Mama? So, this is it, guys. So, this is the glass jewelry cabinet. Ayan.
Wow.
Matagal ko na to siyang binili, pero intended talaga to for Christmas. Ah.
Does that mean I need to continue to buy you jewelry to fill it up?
Yes. It's a hint. It's a sign. Oh, there you go. Ayan. Pwede mo ihang dito yung mga chains, tapos yung mga rings dito, and bangles. Daan. Very simple lang, guys. There's nothing very, special about this one. But yeah, so that's the first one. So this is the second one, guys, that I got. It's from Daddy Mike. So ito yung binili niya para sa akin for Christmas.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise for him. Kasi he just gave me cash and I bought it for myself. Kasi may tinitingnan na kasi ako, guys, online. Ding, ding, ding. Ayan. So as you can see, it's a brown box because, again, pre-loved, guys. Pre-owned. Alam niyo naman si ate niyo. I'm really into, parang old na mga pieces. Mas gusto ko kasi yung mga style noon, guys, kaysa ngayon na bago. So that's what it looks like. And meron pang ganyan. And then the dust bag. Daddy. Hindi ito alam ni Daddy, guys. Ayan. Ding-ding-ding.
I hope you like it. The choice.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. So this is the Louis Vuitton Insulate wallet in white multicolor with a pink interior. Ayan, super cute,
Come
guys.
eat ice cream with Daddy.
Oh my god, have a look closely. So again, it's second-hand, guys, but so you know me naman, guys, whenever I buy something na pre-owned, I made sure na as new pa rin yung condition niya. Ayan. So nice. I love it. Thank you, Daddy. Nadagdagan na naman ang ating collection, guys. There you go.
What's that?
Ano? What is that? Ano? So that's the one. That's for me. And then we have this little one that we are going to share with you guys. And this is a gift for the whole family. Open? Do you know how to open it?
Want Daddy to help?
Yes, please.
Daddy help. Daddy help.
Okay.
Yeah. What's in there?
What's that?
What is that?
This is not ice cream, is it?
What is that?
It's for mommy, for baby.
She does. Show tita.
Show
Oh,
tita.
don't put that in the mouth.
Show tita.
Show tita. Show like this. Oh, can you tell them I'm gonna be an ate?
Say, I'm gonna be Ate Paris.
Say I'm Ate Paris.
No, mommy, white.
So this is it, guys. Ayan. So, nangyari na talaga.
One more to the clan.
I actually found out a while ago now, guys, but I waited until we hear and we, seen that first heartbeat bago namin i-announce sa inyo. And yeah, we did go for the first ultrasound the other day. And what did you see, Daddy? Excuse me.
Excuse me. I seen the next Mackenzie in line to take the throne. That's what I seen.
Yeah. So obviously we've done our crying and all, guys, because we're very excited for this news. This is the
Definitely a lot of
best.
tears.
Yeah, this is the best Christmas gift anyone could ever have, could ever receive.
That's my chicken bun, Mama.
Yes, my love. Who's this? There's a baby in Mommy's tummy.
And that's your baby.
Do you want a brother or sister?
Brother.
Brother!
Ah.
You said yesterday, sister. You changed your mind. You changed your mind. Ayan, so I kept this one, guys, kasi ito talaga nagpapakita ng plus sign. But yeah, so how do you feel, Daddy?
Very, 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 very happy. I'm really happy for Paris more than anything. My brother and stuff like that. And yeah, bring on 2021.
Yeah, I still can't believe, guys. It's hasn't sunk in as yet that I'm pregnant. But this is a proof I am pregnant, guys, that it's not a prank. We are going to be a family of 4 next year.
So what do you reckon, guys? Maybe put in the comments, do you reckon it's going to be a boy or a girl? I'm interested to hear what you guys think.
Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, let us know, guys, in the comment section below what you think. Ayan ang ating ate. Oh, guys, the first time na nalaman ko, guys, and I said, like, Par's going to be an ate, it's crazy. Anyways, we'll do a bit more, like, storytelling later on. We just want to announce, guys. We just want to let you know. We just want to parang i-share sa inyo yung excitement namin na we're having another baby. And, I hope that you're all happy for us. I know lots of you nag-comment before na, I hope masundan na si Paris. I hope you'll have another one. And here it is now, guys. It's happening.
It's inside.
It is here. It is here.
It's in Mama's Bilbil.
It's in Mommy's Bilbil, guys. Anyways, guys, we're going to end the vlog here now kasi we're going to see Lola. Paris will have more presents there.
Do you want more toys?
And also, guys, today pala namin i-share sa mama ni Daddy Mike tsaka sa lola at lolo niya na we're having another baby. So, we'll see.
Where's Mommy's baby?
If we can take a video, makita yung reaction nila.
Where?
Here? Mommy? Oh my gosh! Do you love your baby sister or brother?
Yes.
Is she gonna be ate?
Yeah, I'll be done.
Ate Paris.
You're ate Paris!
Done, baby.
There's a baby! Paris is a ate!
Done, baby.
Are you baby still?
Yeah.
We're very excited to start, the new year and all, guys, that,
New house.
Pregnant.
New baby.
It's going to be a big year next year for sure. I can already foresee.
New house, new baby, new
place, like it's, obviously,
state.
yeah, we mentioned that we're moving. Yeah. So there you go. We'll see how it goes, guys, but we will take you all in this journey, and I hope that you'll stick with us while our family is growing.
Hey Paris.
Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope everyone is having Merry Christmas. And we are on our way to see the family now, and we'll spend Christmas with them. Alright, say bye-bye, Tita.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Say Merry Christmas.
I love you, Santa.
Hello, Santa. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.
close na yun.